spruce and pine.
Christmas decoration up there, that's all. Air freshener, bud.
Yeah, bud.
North of 7 air freshener.
Yeah, it's a real pine tree.
Yeah. All right.
Come on. I can smell the belt. No, I smell the belt.
Oh, okay.
It's getting warm from all that.
Yeah. That's it high?
No, low.
Low?
Yeah. Belt.
Belt? Smell the belt?
It gets pretty hot.
Is it high or low?
Low. But you gotta let it breathe here and there.
Well, they're all typically kind of the same size. I got a lot of belts. If something does happen, I got 6 of them laying on the bench, so
no worries
that way.
Oh, that's good. That's good. I just let her cool a little bit. Hey.
Oh. We're almost at the road anyway. There's another pit up here.
Yeah, all right. So what, we're gonna get a coffee at the shelf?
Yeah. What is it? His belt? You mean? His belt?
Oh, yeah, look at talents. Just ripping.
You got it in low?
Yeah.
Just creep along and low, dude.
Hey?
Just creep along and low. We're gonna go straight out, Phil? Well, this trail here will take you right on out. Yeah. Okay.
We could do a little ripping. I don't care.
Nice and open.
Yeah.
die on you here soon, eh?
What's gonna die?
This side by side.
Why?
Because I guarantee your air filter is going to be plugged solid ice. You better check it when we get to the store.
Oh, you did it! Nice! Nice!
Wow.
That's the powder!
Yeah. So you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do. I'll take it easy.
Solid ice. The whole filter.
I thought Grant was gonna tip there.
That's a good snowdrift there, I guess, eh?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna get into that right there.
I'll pull up there. If he gets too close to you, you just get away. He's on a turbo high right now. I know what it feels like. It's a little bit hard to control.
Go! Coming out, Phil!
Oh, we're right through the bus. I didn't even know
He just disappeared for fuck's sakes.
Something stand right up. It sounds wicked.
Oh, he's getting the powder today. He's getting it. Yeah!
Deep. So does the turbo. Give her down, put her through the deep. I'll pull you out if you're gonna stuck. Stays right up on it, eh? This bike stays up on top.
Boss. Jesus.
All right, let's head over to get a coffee. Okay, let's go get a coffee.
Yeah, I gotta change the battery.
Okay, we'll go get a coffee. It's not, it's 5 minutes away.
Okay. machine is deadly stupid. This thing is stupid. Just stupid fun. Do a little 4x high. Boom. Say when. Well, that's no good. Alright, Grant, you ready? 1, 2, 3. We did it! I'm master. Yeah. I just sent her. I come right across through there.
I know I heard something go bang when you guys were racing, but 3 is racing, no good. Racing on them roads, no good. You guys were so fucking close and all over each other. It was sick.
Ah, it's all good.